I'm gonna explain.
Yeah,
Sorry?
I'm recording. Yeah, no, I'm checking whether I'm recording or not.
Okay. All right. So before we get started, guys, I'm just going to do a really quick brief video before I get back to solving the issue. So mainly what happened is that the main smart contract there's no issue with the main smart contract, guys. We're not going to like redeploy the smart contract and stuff like that. Don't worry about that. We're not going to say, oh, we have to redeploy again everything and then we got an airdrop. Nope, don't worry about that. Our main smart contract is bulletproof. Everything is okay. There is just a slight issue with the dividend smart contract. So basically we have 5 smart contracts. The main one, Safe Math, Address, Dividend, and Diamond Hand smart contract. So we are having issue with the dividend smart contract. The main issue is that if you guys, for whoever that is technical and wants to understand more, so basically when we go through internal transaction, if you guys go through under internal tax, and then press again internal tax, you guys realize that there is an error. So what happening is that our main smart contract, the Revoluzion one, is sending trying to send the BNB to the dividend smart contract. But the problem is we are not really sure why the dividend smart contract is not trying to receive it. We've already set the receives approval, authorized the address as well. We've increased the gas fee threshold as well. So we're not really sure what is going on. We've deployed actually 3 dividend smart contract. So we're creating a new one. We're going, creating it from scratch instead to waste time to debug and everything. And we are trying to find a solution where instead of just having the dividend smart contract to swap the BNB, maybe what we will do is to have the main smart contract send the BNB to the dividend smart contract and have the dividend smart contract to swap internally in the dividend smart contract. That might probably work. We're not so sure yet. We are still doing major testing. Rest assured, guys, we are here to stay. We are still a long way into development. You guys will be safe, rest assured. We will not, just abandon the project. No, this is a long-term project. I understand the first day was a little bit, well, not really. It's a bit of frustration, and trust me, we are working day and night. That's why I have my jacket on. I'm going to make sure that everything gets perfectly done. I cannot promise you guys, when we will get it fixed. I truly can't. I apologize for that. I don't want to, give a word that is not going to be true. I'm always transparent to you guys. But we will spend 18 hours a day with all my 7 monitors and my developers' 7 monitors to make sure that we get this fixed as soon as possible. If you guys actually go to the logs, you guys can see we've been doing it non-stop every single time, try to fix it. I understand the frustration as well, guys. You see, it is our first project and we did develop the smart contract from scratch. And it happens sometimes, because on the testnet, when we tested on the testnet, we didn't have like hundreds of folders, to have it to try and test it out and make sure that it's working. But what's weird is that during the testnet, the WBNB, it was working. So we used a pancake router for the testnet. And yeah, everything was working, but we're not sure why when we deploy it on the mainnet, it's causing this issue. I've also hired a few developers, third party, to get this checked. Even them, the teams that actually audit smart contracts, even them, they have no idea, they have no clue. They are not really sure what is going on. So it's truly, bugging us as well, because I really, really don't want to have this issue continuance, because we want to make sure that we keep our word and make sure that we get it done as soon as possible. So initially, I'm just going to recap. What's happening is that the main smart contract is fine. It's sending the BNB to the dividend smart contract, but for some reason, it's causing an error. It's saying that, oh, we are supposed to receive WBNB, but we are not receiving it. But the main smart contract is actually sending it. So we are not really sure what's wrong. So that is why we're going through all the dividend distributor code and, trying an error, guys, trying error. We didn't really just copy someone's dividend smart contract and just use it. No, we do it everything from scratch. So we are just going to try to do one by one, making sure like all the issues are probably fixed. We did a certain, this one I'll explain for anyone who wants more technical detail. So basically what we have done is we created a function deposit, external payable override only for the token. So it will create a balance before and reward token. So this is to make sure that, hey, all right, the main smart contract, you can send it. And then we also set the reward token transfer form, address this. This basically a function that we can put in the main smart contract into the dividend contract to say, all right, dividend contract into the smart contract as well. So it ties together. We also included, hold on, let me check. Okay, we removed a few stuff as well. We removed the address memory path, new address to path 0, path 1. That is basically an internal swap. So previously we thought maybe the main smart contract is sending WBNB already to the dividend smart contract, and it's trying to reswap to WBNB, which obviously you can't because you can't swap WBNB with WBNB. Basically, when you swap BNB to WBNB, it's called a wrap. It's not a swap, actually, it's called a wrap. So probably we thought that was the issue. So we try to fix it, but it's still happening and it's driving us nuts as well. Rest assured, guys, I understand you guys are panicking and everything, but what we can really promise you guys is that we are here to stay and we will try to get it fixed as soon as possible. Even though it's going to take me 18 hours a day, Christmas, New Year, don't matter to me. What's the most important is making sure this project run as smooth as possible, and we will do whatever we can to fix this, guys. So I'm so sorry that I can't really take too many questions for now, but because I really want to get this fixed, and I'm pretty sure you guys want us to get this fixed as soon as possible. But if you do guys have any question, technical question, just ask in the chat and I'll be happy to inform you guys and reply you as much as I can. So I hope that clears up. We will have another video AMA tomorrow, maybe in the evening on our time, so that me and my developer, we are going to go through overnight. I will only get real short nap to make sure that my memory is refreshed, and maybe we can come up with some ideas thinking what is going on. And yeah, we will definitely have a video AMA tomorrow. But now I'm going to hand over to Han. So if there's any question, you guys can get to Han, and I'll continue trying to fix this, guys. Thank you so much for supporting always. I really appreciate it, and we will do our best to fix it. So yeah, Han, you can take over, and I'm going to head back to trying to fix this. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks so much.
All right. Thank you so much, Zach.
All right.
Okay, guys. So yeah, as you heard from Zach, the team is hard at work trying to fix the issue. The issue currently, if you guys haven't noticed already, the issue right now is the dividend is not distributing to the holders as it should be. So yeah, the like Zach has mentioned as well, that there's not going to be like there's not going to be any redeployment of the main contract, because the Revoluzion smart contract is working great. It's just that the dividend is the issue right now, so they're working on a fix for that. But in the meantime, if you guys have any other questions, I'm gonna take a few questions before we end the video AMA right now. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, do raise your hands. All right, the new Proteus. What's up, bro?
Hi. Yeah,
Hey,
I have a quick question. Let's say you bought 1 million tokens on the pre-sale, and today you bought some other address bought 1 million tokens with other address. So how you are going to distribute the rewards? Because the one who bought in the pre-sale should get higher percentage of the rewards, right? Because it's the time duration.
Okay,
and also the amount of transactions.
Okay, I'll answer that. Okay. Basically, so for example, if you have multiple wallets, right, and you're holding 1 million for every wallet, I'm pretty sure a few people are doing that because equal shares and stuff like that. That is something we can't really control. I understand, but basically, every wallet will have equal share. So basically, let's say, for example, you have 3 wallets or 4 wallets. It doesn't really matter because it will take all the leaves at the end of the cycle, and it will have, like, say, for 50 eligible, holders and stuff, it will just distribute equally. It doesn't matter if you have like 3 million wallets, 3 million tokens in a wallet or 5 million. It's all equal for the diamond hand rewards. And if people are wondering why the cycle is not working, why the diamond hand reward is not really working yet, because we've put that on pause as well. This is to, as you guys know, we actually set the fees to 0. Yeah, we set the fees to 0 for the diamond hand, because eventually what happened when we created the pink sale launchpad, the pre-sale address from pink sale actually triggered the diamond hand smart contract, because diamond hand smart contract automatically detects, like, all right, this pre-sale address have, well, it doesn't know a pre-sale address, it just knows it's an address. It detects that, okay, they have like this amount of token above 1 million. So it starts the cycle. So when we eventually launch, the cycle was already happening. So basically anyone that actually just got in is not going to count. So that is the issue what we're trying to fix as well. But that is actually a very easy fix. All we have to do is just redeploy the new diamond hand smart contract, and it's just going to trigger back and collect all the holders at the moment and start the new cycle straight away. So that is how we're going to fix for the diamond hand as well. I hope yeah, the new process.
Yeah, I understand, but I was just wondering about the duration of the time. But I understand when you relaunch, I think things will start from that point.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. When because we don't want people to wait another 5 days. I understand that as well. I mean, I don't want to wait 5 days as well. So as soon as we're supposed to redeploy the diamond hand contract as soon as possible, actually, to be honest. But we are trying our very best to make sure that at least the dividend is working for now, because it's, to be fair, that everyone is supposed to receive all the dividends, right? Diamond hand is only people who are holding 1 million, and we don't want to prioritize saying that, oh, we're just going to fix for people who are holding 1 million. We want to be fair to everyone, so we want to make sure that we fix the dividends so everyone gets their fair share. And we want to make sure we focus on that first. As soon as that is done, we will redeploy the diamond hand smart contract and make sure that it starts the cycle straight away, so everyone will be eligible for it straight away.
Thanks for your answers.
Most welcome,
Right, welcome, you Proteus. Thank you. Dean has a question. Yeah. What's up, Dean? Dean, you got to unmute yourself as well. Dean? Okay. Oh, yeah. There you are. What's up, bro?
Yeah, I was just wondering about CMC. Are we listed, or are we? I've not really kept up with the charts.
Oh, you mean are we live on PancakeSwap?
CoinMarketCap.
Oh, CoinMarketCap. So we've already applied for CoinMarketCap, and it shouldn't take long because we're all fully doxed, and we have already submitted all the necessary documents and verifications as well. It's just that I think it's kind of a, to be honest, I think it's kind of a blessing that it's not we're not on CoinMarketCap yet, because until it's better, like everything's working smoothly. So once it's on, like, I mean, there's a given when the combo, starts to kick in. So yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Cheers.
All right.
Okay. One more thing I just want to explain as well. People have been always having a lot of DMs in me. So guys, I understand your frustration, but rest assured, when this gets fixed, because our market cap is relatively low still, so don't panic, don't worry. As soon as everything is fixed and done, as soon as we deploy the mass marketing that we have, I'm pretty sure people will be able to go through BSC Scan and see how much marketing funds we have. And once we are ready with that, when we deploy, it will go berserk. We rest assured it should be everywhere. And I'm pretty sure that will help to recover the market as well. So we're not trying to tell you guys when to buy and when to sell, because non-team members, I've also explained to my team members, we are not allowed to tell when to buy and sell. That is all a free market. Do as you wish, guys. I understand. But rest assured, we will make sure to fix this as soon as possible. And we will go full marketing to try to recover the market cap as best we can. So I hope that answers you guys' question as well. All right. Okay, Han, you can take over.
All right, I'm back. So I think we'll take one more question before we end the video AMA. Okay. So if does anyone else have another question? Scrolling. Nobody's raising their hands. Oh, there you go, boy. What's up, boy? Hey, boy. Yeah, you unmuted and then you muted again, boy. You want to unmute yourself, or did you wrongly press the button? Okay, I guess you did. So, seeing as there is no other question, I think we shall end this video AMA right here. Again, guys, we're not going anywhere. We if you read the chat, like some of the brilliant-minded people have accused that we have like dumped the tokens from Team Wallet. Honestly, you can't do that, because if you can see at our pink sale tokenomics, we can't do anything with the tokens. The next release is only 5% in the next 60 days after PancakeSwap launch. So it's only 5%, and we're not going anywhere with this. We are staying here and we're working on the project until it's fixed. Zach is right there, and the team as well is doing their best. And we appreciate you guys sticking with us, supporting us, and thank you so much. We'll see you guys in the next video AME. Okay, Zach, you want to add something else towards the end? Okay, I guess not. He's busy. All right. So yeah, you guys can see that he's busy. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.
Hello? Yeah, sorry, Han. Did you say something?
No, I just said we're going to end the video AMA right here. Do you have anything else to add lastly?
Well, rest assured, everything is full from our side, guys. I rest assured we will try our very best to fix the smart contract. So just a quick recap. Basically, what happens is that we have 5 smart contracts. Main smart contract had swapped to WBNB, to BNB, and it's from the Revoluzion token, right? So when people do a swap, the smart contract is going to take all the RVZ token, and then we have a swap threshold. And when it reaches the swap threshold, it's going to convert to BNB, and it's going to send this BNB to the dividend smart contract. But yeah, that's the issue. When it's trying to send, it's causing an error. We had 4 errors earlier, but we managed to actually fix all the error except one more error. So fingers crossed, I hope we can, get that error fixed up. And we are going to also redeploy an entire new dividend smart contract, not the main smart contract, the dividend smart contract. And I hope that will probably try to fix it. We cannot guarantee a time frame because, to be honest, that would be a lie, and we are truly transparent on everything. But we will get it fixed. Rest assured, we will make sure, no matter what, we will get it fixed, guys. So thank you so much, guys. I truly appreciate for all your support. We will have another AMA by tomorrow. All right. Thanks, Han. You can take over here.
All right, guys. Thank you again and appreciate it. We'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Cheers. Wait, hold on. How do I end this?